Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about problem from HackerEarth Abyss challenge. So let's get started. So the problem is a subset in a sequence. So we will be given a set of power of 3. You can see 1, 3, 9, 27 and so on are power of 3. So we have to consider a sequence of non-empty subsets of S ordered by a value of the sum of their elements, and we have to find subset at nth position in sequence. So now let's discuss what it's actually saying. So we are given a subset of power of 3, 1, 3, 9, 27 and 81 and so on, and sequence of subset of this set is 1, 3, 1 and 3, 9, 1 and 9, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, such that sum of each subset in this sequence is increasing from subset behind that subset. So you can see before 9 it's 1 and 3, and sum of these two numbers are 4, such that 4 is less than 9. If we take this subset, so you can see sum of this subset is less than 27. So we have to find subset at nth position. So let's take 3 queries. For n equals to 1, you can see for n equals to 1 it's 1, and only one element in this subset, and that is 1. And for let's take n equals to 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total number of elements in this subset is 2, and we have to print both the elements, so 2, then 3 and 9. And let's take n equals to 7, so you can see this is the 7th subset, and we have to print, it should be 3, and we have to print length of this subset and elements of the subset in increasing order. So you can see so first of all, if you want to calculate it using recursion or anything else, then you can see n is up to 10 power 12, and which is number of elements in sequence formed after taking subsets. In this sequence, if size of this sequence is 10 to power 12, then length of this S set will be around 40. So how you can find length of this subset around 40 is total number of subset formed from an array is 2 to the power n. So if 2 raised to the power n is equals to 10 to the power 12, then n will be around 40. So we have to calculate power of 3 up to 40, 3 raised to the power 40. And how we can answer these queries? So let's think how we can answer these queries. So instead of looking for power of 3, let's create power of 2 and just see how all the natural numbers are formed using this set of power of 2. So let's create a sequence of all the natural numbers. For 2, since 2 is already there, so we will just take 2 here. For 3, we will take 1 and 2, such that their sum can be 3. And now for 4 is already there, and for 5 we will take 1 and 4, and for 6 we will take 4 and 2. For 7 we will take all these 3 numbers up to 4, 1, 2 and 4. So you can see how not all the natural numbers are formed. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 up to you can calculate. So and you can see these subsets are increasing in their sum. So this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3, its sum is 3 and less than 4. So you can see there is similarity between this case and previous case. We have to create a subset sequence in which sum of every sequence is less than sum of sequence after that sequence. So and we can get these two numbers using, so for 3 how we can get these two number 1 and 2. So if we take binary of 3, this is 1 1. So from this one we can calculate 1 and from this one we can also calculate 2, since 1 into 2 to the power 1, so it's 2. And now if we take 7, let's take 5. So 5, so its binary will be 1 0 1. Yeah. And now how we can get this subset? So you can see for first position this is 2 raised to power 1 into 2 raised to power 0, that is 1, and this is 0, so we have to print nothing, and again this is 1, so this is 1 into 2 to the power 2, so it's 4. We can get the length of this subset using just count set bits in the binary representation of 5. So this is 2. So we are done, and now let's code this problem. So we assume that we have to calculate up to 3 to the power 40. So let's pre-calculate those powers. So p equals to now let's take t test cases, and in each test case let's take n as input, and we have to print count of elements in subset at position n and all those elements. So let's take b as binary of n. Since binary of a number in Python gives 0 and b as its prefix, so let's just create binary of 5. So you can see 0 and b are prefix for this binary number, and we have to reverse this such that we can iterate from here to here. And now we have to print count of 1, and now let's run a loop in b. For I in range b, we have to print if b of I is equals to 1, it should be 1 if here, then we have to print p of I. And extra print for new line. So now let's run this, and let's take these test cases 1, 6 and 7. 3 queries 1, 6 and 7. So it's printing, but every elements in new line, so we have to take end parameter equals to space, and now we can see 1, 6 and 9. I don't know, it's printing. Hope, yeah, it's 9. We have taken 7 here. Again take 7, 1, 7. So you can see it's 1, 3 and 9. So this is it for this problem. The problem was quite easy but beautiful problem, I can say. Now let's submit this code. So you can see I have already submitted this one. I don't know why it's taking so much time. So you can see it's AC here, clearly you can see. So for any doubt you can comment down below, and thanks for watching.